Hello friends and welcome back to the Dork Side. I'm the Dork on the road and this is a brand new box of camping gear from our friends at MotoCampNerd. I'm the Dork on the road and I want to be your internet riding buddy, so please consider subscribing. Obviously it's wintertime right now, and one of my favorite things to do in the wintertime when I can't camp as much or as often is to shop for new camping gear and optimize the gear that I already have. So I've been doing some of that, and I just got a box of new camping gear that I'm pretty excited about, and I thought it would be cool to share it with all of you as I open it up and check out what's in here. I already opened the box, as you can see, because I didn't want to be struggling with that on camera, but I haven't played with all this stuff yet, so it's all in the box as it came, and I'm pretty stoked about it. So let's open it. If you don't know about MotoCampNerd, it's the only site on the internet that I'm aware of dedicated specifically to the needs of motorcycle campers. Ben is a friend of the channel, and he's really working to grow this business from nothing, small business owner. So if you're looking for camping gear for your motorcycle specifically, I would encourage you to check out the website. So here's the box, and look how well packed things are when they come from him. Look at that, like there is no space wasted in this box. What's cool is I ordered a few things and he threw in a few goodies too, like these, the MotoCampNerd koozies. Can't go wrong with that. Can't have too many koozies when you drink as much as I do, which is a lot when I'm camping. There's a couple of those in here. And one of my favorite products, wilderness wipes. These are those butt wipes. I like the small packages. This is super compact for going on your motorcycle, but so nice to have a way to wash your hands or take care of other sanitary needs after you've dug a hole and done some business in the woods. So I really like these small packets. These wilderness wipes are great. I've got another packet and they last forever in the package. So stoked to see more of these in here. Also another koozie, and in the koozie this is a patch for your gear. If you rip your gear or whatever, they can make it so that you can keep using it, obviously. So you don't want to throw away a $300 sleeping bag because you got like a little tear in it. So these Nosew patches are made in America and super useful and awesome. So that's awesome, thank you very much. And some coffee, some high side coffee, appreciate that. You know, I like my coffee when I'm camping. A Sea to Summit Wilderness Wash Pocket Soap. That's small and compact. That'll be nice to have a tiny little soap in a tiny little plastic thing to go with my Pacific Northwest green manta ray for washing hands and stuff. Very cool. That's the bits and pieces. Let's get into the big stuff. So stoked on a couple things in this box in particular, but he's actually running a promotion right now where if you spend $250 on his site this month, you get a free hammock. And I did, so I got the hammock. This is a Yukon Outfitters hammock. It's MotoCampNerd branded, and that is a sturdy, heavy hammock, way better than some of the crappy ones I've gotten on Amazon. I can just tell by the weight of it. So it comes with straps, and they're like legit straps. So I'm excited about this, and the bag is part of the hammock, so I can't even take it apart, but these are heavy duty, not screwing around straps, and they're very substantial. So that is a cool little bonus. This hammock's also made in America. You guys are always asking me why I don't hammock camp, and I can't sleep on my back, so I've never really tried it, but I don't know, I've toyed with the idea of trying to give it a shot and just see what happens, and if I don't sleep, I don't sleep. We'll see, but if I wanted to do it, I could do it in this hammock, so nice that I have that. Two more big things in this box that I'm super stoked on. This is the Big Agnes Insulated Q-Core Deluxe Sleeping Pad. You guys know I have the insulated, the orange version of this. This is the premium version of that sleeping pad. It's got an R value, I think of 4.3. Yeah, 4.3. And the thing about this one is it's supposed to not be noisy when you roll around on it. It's got like a quilted top. This one comes with the inflation sack. So I'm gonna be testing this out and probably doing a comparison between this and the other one at some point once I start camping off the bike a lot more, probably in early spring. Last year we started camping around spring break, so I would assume we're gonna start camping around that time again this year. A lot more. I do want to get out this winter, but so excited to test out this sleeping pad. It's supposed to be very comfortable, just an upgraded version of the one I already have, and I love the one I already have. This is a footprint, which is less exciting until you see what it's a footprint for. This is the thing I'm most excited about. That, about the size of a loaf of bread, is my new moto camping tent. This is the Tiger Wall UL2. This is a bike packing tent, and the best part about it is right here, these poles, 12-inch pole sections. That is a very small, very compact motorcycle camping tent. I'm very stoked about this tent. Really excited to get out and give it a try. The tent I have is fine. It packs down reasonably small. In fact, I'm gonna grab it and I'll show you the difference. But this one is just gonna give me so much more room in my bags. And it's just so much nicer to have something that gets this compact for motorcycle camping. Obviously, I'll link all this in the description, but just know that this is a very expensive tent. Don't be thinking that you need a tent that's expensive to go motorcycle camping. This is one of those things that you buy when you've discovered that you go a lot and you're willing to spend the money to sort of refine and shrink your kit, even though it's the value for your dollar is maybe not the same as if you went out and bought a $100 Walmart tent. But this is a well-constructed tent that packs down very small. It's going to last me forever and stand up to anything. It's not going to wear out. I'm pretty happy with my Kelty Gunnison. I'll probably still use it for car camping and stuff, but the space savings is worth the money for me at this point in my motorcycle camping career. Let me grab the other tent and I'll show you what the difference looks like. So this is my Kelty Gunnison 2 in a giant loop. This is just one of the dry pods that come with your bags. Obviously I can make it a little smaller because I can use the roll top here and bring it down a little bit and use this air purge valve, but it still doesn't get much smaller. So by comparison, that's a lot of space you're saving. This thing is at least twice as big, if not 2.5 or 3 times as big. This will be a game changer, fits in almost any pannier. In fact, I think this will fit in my KLR panniers. You know, I got the footprint to go with it because I like to protect the bottom of my tent. And the nice thing about a footprint is you throw it down and you can figure out where you're gonna set your tent up. You know exactly how big it is before you have to do anything else with your tent. So I like having that little preview of where my tent's gonna go. But anyway, that's some new gear I'm gonna be rocking for this year. Gonna test out the air mattress, like I said, stoked on this new tent. And the rest is just some fun stuff that MotoCampNerd threw in for me to share with all of you. And I recommend checking out MotoCampNerd's site. You can save 10% with promo code Dork in the road on the site. So don't pay full price. But if you're looking for camping gear, I would encourage you to support a small business owner like Ben, who just opened his own storefront actually, rather than buying on Amazon or some other big box company, especially when the prices are the same because they're all set by the manufacturer. So if you have any questions about any of this gear or maybe suggestions for something I should be picking up for this year, let me know in the comments. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Let me know if you like this kind of content because I love when I get new stuff and I'd love to share it with you guys if you're interested. But for now and as always, I just want to say thank you very much for watching and please do not forget to be excellent to each other. Thank you.